their channel, Wolf Squad, and then check out my channel because I'm going to be hosting random stuff, random acts of randomness. I just said random like 3 times. As you can see, I'm an Avenged Sevenfold fan. I felt like I just wanted to say that. Don't judge me. You're gonna see me doing a lot of things over the years. I'm especially going to be posting videos of me eating soap with chopsticks while I'm shaving. Okay, just be warned, I'm not the funniest guy, but I'll definitely try to make you laugh. You guys are gonna probably see a lot of me on the Wolf Squad, considering that's pretty much the reason why I made this channel. And once again, I'd like to thank the Wolf Squad, more specifically my bud Matt. Thanks for dragging me in, man. I really appreciate it. Wolf Blood out.